MCQ 23, we're looking at reactivity of elements across the periodic table. So this is just a rough sketch here, but we do have a group 1 element, a group 2. So for R itself, it belongs under the category of transition elements. And for my element S itself, if this is group 3, 4, 5, 6, then S will belong to group 7. Now the general trend here is that group 1 elements, they are often being used as reactive metals. In general itself, alright, it is to be said that group 1 elements becomes more reactive as they actually move down the group. But between choosing P, Q, and R, which are actually all metals itself, group 1 will be selected to be the most reactive metals. So metals can only form ionic compound, and that means that they will actually require a non-metal component. And S over here is going to be our group 7 element. So again, if we have a choice, alright, with the understanding that for group 7 elements, reactivity actually decreases down the group, we could have selected a member that was much higher in the group 7 category itself, so that it will react much faster. But again, if S was the only choice here that we have for a non-metal choice, and since P is a metal, we'll be looking for a PS reaction. To be a little bit more specific, P being group 1 is going to be a P+, and S being group 7 is going to be a P-. The resulting should be a PS ionic compound. So looking for most vigorous reaction, the term most vigorous would have very much indicated for us to have our sight towards group 1 because it has a very reactive nature. So we'll be looking for P and S as the answer for 23.